The spokesperson of the Electoral Commission, Julius Muchunguzi, has assured Ugandans of a peaceful election in 2026. Muchunguzi revealed this during the marking of the Ecumenical Public Way of the Cross at Odikampala Secondary School playgrounds.
It carries a very important message for Christians and for Ugandans, especially at a time when we are already in the roadmap for the 2025-26 general election. Number one, it's a message of sacrifice. It is a message of unity. It is a message of commitment. Jesus was committed throughout the entire journey of his life on earth. Now, as Ugandans, there is commitment that is required of us to be committed to building a united, a prosperous, a progressive and peaceful Uganda.
He said the Commission was doing everything possible to make 2026 a better election year.
It's for that reason that the Commission always makes it a point to be present when congregations of this nature happen, especially when it includes leaders of faith across the country. The Joint Christian Council and the Interreligious Council of Uganda are very important partners with the Electoral Commission in driving voter education, in calling for peaceful elections, in calling for non-violence in our electoral process.
He called upon Ugandans to support their activities of ensuring a peaceful and transparent election.
The viewers of Big Media TV are called upon to be peaceful in their conduct and their participation in the electoral process. Number two, to follow the laws that have been put in place and regulations and guidelines in the preparation for the general elections. He
also thanked the government for the support and promised to rectify all the previous challenges that hampered the smooth running of the previous elections. William Rwanga, Beg Television.